Good morning, everybody. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a new reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Okay, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At na kumontra ating wedding apo? Go on, let us continue. Sige. April, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love in service to your husband-to-be? Robin, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love in service to your wife-to-be? Sige, Madua. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay. April, will you have Robin to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. Robin, will you have April to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Sige, okay, one mo sing-singan and follow after me. Bagam di baga. Gising-sing pa lang ni. Okay. Muna ka, Robin. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Asot mo yung sing-singan. Follow after me also. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige. One. Sumango kay Toy, pa lang. Your parents ni Philip. Ma'am sir, tandaan kayo. Ano man kaya chibaga. Wish kin payo dagi diyan kasal.
Sa upay ay kinaawatan kayo, pinasayaan. Adaman bilang kanyo pag kinaawatan. At tungtong kayo, luman kanyo nga palabsen, iti manunga aldaw, oras lang, iti palabsen.
Thank you, Otak. Namat kaya chibaga diyan couple.
Sa anak ko, mga ikaw na sungit mo kitila kayo mo sa balik bustar kertan pagmalo ang naroa dahil banyak dan pamilyan.
Ay, thank you. Namit payo, in-wish tayo diyan kasal nang love.
Today na ako. Sabay ba pumalak ko? Ang binistad man anak ko. Ang bangas yung anak ko. Tama na no. Tama na pagpainam nga inam. Basta pagpainam. Nagitan pati sa mga ngam. Ganon anak ko. Kita matawatag kanyam. Wala din ang pagpapainam nga inam. Basta pagpainam. Di ka tuga ngam. Awat na anak ko. Mamataw.
Pwedeng bukay sakit man tumus ay.
Okay. Sige, sumang ko dyan. Pataglaman na po, nagigili from our sponsors, yung nagigili friends and family. Muna tayo ito. Namit payo, in-wish tayo dyan. Thank you.
Iba'y bagat
nang kadakanan ko kasi respeto itunggal may isang iti naawat yun iti may kapitong sa kamintos dapat na kayo kayawin yung itinaganapin. Uray pa man alaman ito mga mangyari iti panagyan yung at least inawat yun ito na may kapitong sa kamintos dapat haan kayong hanyong alikodan man iti tunggal may sa kanya yung nagulak na
Thank you.
May kapatan kayo, may stablok kayo, kailangan nag-imunos kayo kasama.
Thank you.
Robin, at Lynn, may bagak lang anak ko, tipon kayo kas mga gasawan, agrin na rin kayo, manyaman iti-desisyon, timay sa dapat pag-desisyon ng mga dua. Kung amo yung naabutan iti Diyos, nanuan yaman dahil yan, may kaniwas na may parbon iti palagin na gasawa. Laglag ito niyo nga adaan ti panagpidot. Idanon tayo kinako Diyos nang nanong nakada kayo, taklin nyo kinako Diyos. Rauman nyo, ada yung nga tao, agrin na rin kayo nang nangruhan iti naganap. Kadagiti parehas yung nga nakaykamangan, ipagdagyo ita, tawar kay Tilo noong isa. Congratulations na.
Thank you.
Pwede yung Robin, tapang ka, magpapun kita lang tayo, kayo na nasinipot ka rin kayo, hindi bawak na ispata kayo. Ganun lagi tinaganap ka kayo.
Thank you. May wish tayo tayo na.
Sa iba ba naman ang gandang anak ko,
Sino pa itent na? Bukabi tayo, nagkakit mo yung baga? Ayun, sige, sige.
Pagkagamitin dito kung titiwala at pagmamahal sa asawa, pagmatibay sa pagmamahal at matuwa, panagdinay yung malinga, pagsagiyo, panagdinay yung mga buong panagdinay. Kung naman yung magtitiwala at pagmamahal siya ng kanya rin na sa kalutin niya sa pagtitiwala ng tingnan niya sa naman titiwala yung tingnan niya sa kanya yun, sigurado na para natutira kita.
Pagkaklaan, kung dumak kita na tiwala at bawat isa. Anong awat tiwala mo, hindi ka pareha, niyak talat panunong. Tumatiwala na kayo. Then, goye and multiply.
Napay ako, kaya sa bayo, in-fish, kasal. Napay ako. O nga din, o ikaw ang iman ng Robin, both hands. O, nagtaman, April, nagamit blouse mo. Ayan. Sige, from the heart, ibagam day, hindi husband mo. Sige, sa amtap ng mga everybody.
Thank you for loving me this much.
hindi tayo inadala ng Panginoon na hindi ko inaasahan na dumating sa buhay ko from this day forward as I live everything behind for new life together. I vow you to always choose you no matter what. Ikaw ang aking pipiliin sa araw-araw.
Okay, Robin, ano naman vows mo to your wife? From the heart.
Hindi ako magbabago at hindi ako magsasawa kahit papakan ka at tampuin kahit anong mangyayari sa bawat pagkakataon sa buhay ko. Ikaw lagi ang ating unay at isipin. Hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw ang ating isipin.
Sige, hawak mo yung kamay yan. Tuwang iman, kumamanan. Follow after me, ha? I hereby take you, April. Follow after me. Bagam niya ba? I hereby take you, April.
And here I take you
To be my wife.
to be my wife,
To have and to hold.
to have and to hold,
To be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward.
From this day forward,
For better or for worse.
for better
or for worse,
for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and health,
to love
to love,
and to cherish
cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until
To be parted
to be parted
by death.
by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is the solemn vow.
Okay, follow after me also. I hereby take you, Robin,
I hear and take thee, Robin,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection
and one affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn
Okay? Okay. By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambangan, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Second bigger kiss.
5 minutes.
Sige, magpirma kayo. Then marriage certificate. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture tayo. With the parents pa lang. Ikaw natin.
Hindi ka malit yan eh, baka may mayat, hindi kayo pumalo.
Parents.
Malita bitis. Eh, itong sirke dyan eh. Antay, kan. Kumitadang ka. At side view, side view. Siya na doon. Kasi yung diba niya. One, kita to. One, tinigil niya. One, two, three. Kita tayo angkay. Angkay. Nakita ka dyan. One, two, three, smile. Rizal po niyo ako yung babae pa lang. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Okay na kayo.
Next, Ninang.
Sa sarili niyo. Kung dua ka ba sa tanay, nag-shoot na naman. Wala ka ba? Smile. Meron din may sa tinay. Sino din pa rin ano? Yan, mas ba?
Ako ay kayo basta ay magpapura na ko.
One, two, smile. Smile. Wari kayo mga kawan. One, two, magkaratang narinig ito ha. Sige ha, yan. Smile kayo ay. Sige, isang tao.
Isa na ano ganyan eh.
One, two, three. Sabay, one, two, three. One. Yung second batch. Awan ni Iwan. Mga rutong kinanta. One.